I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do some relaxing vocal warmups for singers. We'll focus on releasing tension in general. Let's start with a few moments of focus on relaxing the body. Take a few low, slow breaths, releasing any tension or any thoughts that don't serve you well right now. Maybe roll each of your shoulders, give your face and jaw a little massage. Come into alignment. Let's breathe in and sigh down gently. Let's begin our vocal warm-up with a very relaxed zaw, like za, and go. Za, Next, let's sing on Zooie, like Zooie, ooey, 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 and go. Zooie, ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Take a moment now to check in again with any tension that may have crept in during those last couple of exercises. Before our next exercise, I'd like to remind you that I now have a mobile app with warm-ups and exercises for singers. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and you can find the link and information below. Let's do a gentle glide now on a hum. Teeth are apart, lips are together. Try to keep everything relaxed. We can sing and go. Great job. Now we can sing on a very rounded and relaxed new, like new. You might want to allow for a little bit of gentle movement to keep from adding tension anywhere in the body. Here we go. this next exercise, just use the tip of the tongue as we sing li la li, like li la li la li, and go li la li la li, 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 Come back now to a very relaxed yawn sigh. Let's breathe in like we're beginning a yawn and sigh out. Do it again, releasing any tension. And if that leads to an actual yawn, great. Sven thinks that when you sing, it should feel more like sighing. Let's work from high to low for a moment on va, 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 like va, va, va. Your turn. Finally, let's move to a full octave arpeggio on zila, zela, za. Everything is just relaxed and flowing. Focus on air and releasing tension. It sounds like this. Zila, zela, za, and go. Zila, zela, za. 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 And one more sigh down. I hope you enjoyed this set of relaxing vocal warm-ups and exercises to release tension. I do hope that you'll check out my app, and I will see you next time. We'll see you next time.